Thanks for covering for us.
Andy, listen. You cannot afford to screw this up. You've only been here 2 months, okay? This is your 5th set of foster parents in 3 years.
The Johnsons don't count. We were there for 2 hours.
Do you know the reaction I get when I tell people I'm trying to place 11 and 16-year-old siblings? It ain't a good one, okay? You guys mess this up, that's it. I don't have any more favors I can call in. I'm gonna have to place you two separately.
No, you know I won't let that happen, Bernie. We stay together.
All right, then take a little advice from me, okay? A technique that I've learned. When somebody who I don't particularly like is saying something that I don't want to hear, I just nod and I go, mm-hmm. It works wonders.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm through with you guys. So tell you what, I better not get any more phone calls about a trick with a brick or a scam with a hand.
Okay, it was a good talk, Bernie. Thank you very much for stopping by. Boy, somebody's tired today, huh?
I am.